Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nidzoa to the interior design and styling series. Check out our playlist for more videos. In today's video we're going to talk about the minimalist interior design style. So let's get started. Minimalistic interior design style is a style of creating a meaningful, simple space and uncluttered space. It mainly focuses on function, shape and basic colors. The design style is all about less is more concept. Color scheme. Muted shades, neutral colors blend with cream, white, grey, black, beige, pale blue, light green, faded orange can be used. The agenda of the color selection is to give a soft and relaxing feel and not using vibrant, eye-catching colors. Furnitures. Oak, opulent velvet cushions, shagreenes and striking pieces with best quality and well balancing space with geometric shapes, less colors, flat, smooth surfaces, strong and clean lines can be used. Fabrics, linen, cotton, silks, fox fur, velvet, soft wool, rugs with minimalist graphic pattern can enhance the fabrics. Usage of contrasting fabrics brings in a good effect. Accessories and decors. Artworks, spotlights, sculpture, mirror, vases, ornaments, and good accessories like tabletops, storage cases, coat table, and material with no excessive ornamentation. Clean and non-cluttered furnishings can be used. They should mainly focus on function and practical aspects. Plantation and greenery. Potted succulents, hanging plants on wall from roof, filling the empty corners, using it as a dividers on large plant like fiddle leaf tree, using as a display centerpiece as a focal point. They play a very important role to make the interior healthier. They should be attractive and eye-catching, and also they should be pleasing. Make sure minimal plantation and flower plants are used. Flooring. Light, calm wooden floors, natural wood, marbles, concrete coated floors with simple fur, carpet and geometric patterns can be used for flooring. Window treatment. Floor to ceiling window with subtle draped curtains using simple, warm, neutral, minimal designs can be incorporated as they make room to appear wide. Lighting. Natural light plays a very important role in this style. If you're using artificial light like IC light, wired light, string light, floss string light, make sure they use warm, cozy, neutral colors. Floor lamp, abstract wood art instead of decorative walls give a very nice effect in the interiors. On the whole, the minimal interior design brings balance in space and gives a smoothing effect and promises happiness in the interior. With this, we have come to the end of our video. You can find the series from the Interior Design and Styling series on Nidzoa. Please do comment your views in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel for more exciting videos.